18 Tips on how to stop coughing. Once the cause of your cough is diagnosed and you have ruled out any serious underlying medical conditions that need to be treated, symptoms of cough often may be treated or cured with home remedies. Talk to your doctor before using any herbal remedies or natural supplements, as some may interact with medications you take. 1. Stay hydrated, drink lots of water to thin mucus. 2. Inhale steam, take a hot shower, or boil water and pour into a bowl, face the bowl, stay at least 1 foot away, place a towel over the back of your head to form a tent, and inhale. Stop at any time if you feel uncomfortable. Note: do not do this if cough is due to asthma, as steam may make symptoms worse. 3. Use a humidifier to loosen mucus. 4. Cough drops or lozenges soothe an irritated throat, do not use in young children. 5. Salt water gargle clears mucus from the throat. 6. Use an extra pillow to elevate your head at night. 7. Don't smoke and avoid secondhand smoke. 8. Avoid inhaled irritants such as dust, perfumes, or pollutants. 9. Use honey. It can be used alone in adults and children over 1 year of age and acts as a cough suppressant. 10. Ginger tea soothes throat inflammation. 11. Eucalyptus oil, use it in a vaporizer or rub it on your chest to help break up mucus. 12. Mint, often taken as a tea, it helps loosen mucus in the lungs. 13. Menthol is commonly found in lozenges, and it can soothe the cough. 14. Licorice root acts as an expectorant. 15. Slippery elm coats and soothes the throat. 16. Apple cider vinegar, diluted or mixed with honey, helps thin mucus. 17. Turmeric may help ease digestive problems and can help if cough is caused by gout. 18. Chocolate. And because we saved the best for last, save some chocolate. Theobromine, an ingredient in chocolate, may actually suppress vagus nerve activity that causes coughing.